This is Mona, your spiritual counselor and healer, angel and tarot card reader, angel and crystal therapist. For more, you can log into my Facebook account as Mona Sanjay. और आज मैं आपके लिए वीडियो लेके आई हूँ which is on magic money reiki meditation. जैसे मैंने पिछले वीडियो पे बोला था कि I am gonna come with magic money reiki meditation for you all. So ये मेडिटेशन ऐसा है कि अगर आपने सीखा हुआ है तो वेल एंड गुड, आप इसके सारे सिंबल्स के साथ आप ये मेडिटेशन कर सकते हो. अगर आपने ये मेडिटेशन या अगर आपने ये मैजिक मनी रेकी के सिंबल्स नहीं सीखे होंगे या अगर आप मैजिक मनी रेकी नहीं सीखे होंगे तो भी इट्स ओके. आई विल बी से आपको लाइट को विजुअलाइज करना है इस वक्त. और जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स या जिन्होंने भी ये वर्कशॉप या जो भी इन सिंबल्स के साथ अवेयर है, जैसे मैं आपको 1 2 3 4 बोलती हूँ तो आप इन सिंबल्स को विजुअलाइज कीजिएगा, इन सिंबल्स को एब्जॉर्ब कीजिएगा. ओके गाइस, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द मैजिक मनी मेडिटेशन टुडे. जैसे मैंने कहा था, before I start, I would like to share with you कि clearing symbol is so powerful symbol मैं अपने कोर्स में देती हूँ, which not only clears the issues of your finances or money, but काफ़ी ऐसे भी देखा गया है कि lot of my students, lot of my clients come to me saying कि उनकी और कोई भी जो issues थी वो भी clear हो चुकी है. So I'm really thankful and grateful for such kind of experiences जो मेरे students को आते हैं और जो अपनी problems से निकल आती है. So let's get started with the magic money reiki meditation. Keep your feet touching the floor. Relax, relax, relax. Hands in a receiving mode. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in to the mouth, breathe out from the mouth. Breathe in from the nose, breathe out from the mouth. Relax and keep breathing in and out easily and effortlessly. You can focus onto my crystal here. Focus onto the tip of my crystal. This is charged and ready to send the energies to you. Allow the divine white light showering onto you from your forehead, crown, throat, chest, solar, sacral, and your root chakra. Allow this white light to cleanse, clear your inside out. Cleanse each and every cell, tissue, internal and external organs. Cleanse the excess of energies, negative energies and lower energies. Now allow this white light to cleanse your aura and the excess of energies let go into the Mother Earth. Now visualize the clearing symbol. cleanse. If any blockages, if any particular issues, allow, draw the symbol onto your forehead. See, it's growing so big that you entered into this symbol. And it's cleansing, clearing. Feel the cleansing, feel the clearing. Feel the excess of energies, lower energies is going out from your body, is going out from your chakras. Whatever is of no use, the excess of thoughts, the useless, things are going out of your body. Feel that. The symbol works gently and slowly. Now take the shower of a rupee symbol onto you. Again, the symbol goes into your third eye. From the crown, it goes to your third eye. Throat, your chest, solar plexus, आपके sacral chakra पे, and then root chakra. Feel the energies of this symbol. Now allow the symbol 1, Mani Reiki symbol 1, show onto you. Visualize it in a silver color. Allow the silver light to enter your body from the crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, and root chakra. Allow Apta Vasudha to enter from your crown. Allow the Mani Reiki symbol, which is Mida star, to enter from the crown into your body. All these three symbols are entering into your body one by one. I'm sending this symbol to you all. Visualize the golden light shower of the symbol into your life. Feel the energies. Completely fill yourself with the golden light. Each and every cell, tissue, your internal and external organs are filled with this light. Relax, relax, relax. If any concern related to money, visualize the concern is getting clear. With the count of 5, come back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and disconnect. So guys, how you feel this meditation, a short and a sweet meditation? Do share your reviews. Like, share and subscribe karna na bhule. So thanks and bye bye for now. See you more on such videos, more on tips and tricks. Bye bye.